Hello everybody, my name's John, a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to my latest video recipe. And in this one I'll show you the recipe we used for our delicious fish pie, cooked in a light creamy cheese sauce. And seeing that the Easter holidays are this weekend, it's a perfect fish dish to serve up this Good Friday. You can see the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website. And the link to that page and lots more is in the description box under the video. Just find and click on the word more, and that'll give you access to all the relative links for this video, including our website store products. Okay, let's get on with today's recipe. Right, I'll start with the potatoes. Wash, peel and cut your potatoes as shown, and just say cover them with water in a medium-sized pan. Now you can add half a teaspoon of salt to the water. And make sure you use a variety that's good for mashing. Now get the heat on and bring those to a boil. Once they start boiling, set your timer for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are up, your potatoes should be cooked. Right, I've thoroughly drained them. First, I like to season the mash with salt and white pepper. Next, we can add the butter. And stick to this quantity of butter. If you put too much in, the potatoes become too sloppy to sit on top of the fish. Now simply give those a good mash until smooth and creamy. Give it a little taste. And that's perfect. Get the lid on and set that aside for now. Okay, next job is to lightly poach the fish in the milk. So in a medium-sized saucepan on a low heat, add the milk. And I've already heated the milk up in the microwave. That way there's less chance of it catching on the bottom of the pan. And for this recipe I'm using 400 grams of skinless fish fillets and prawns. I have some cod, salmon, a few nice tiger prawns and some smoked haddock. But honestly, you can use any fish that you like. Once the milk is simmering, you can add your fish to the pan, but don't add the prawns at this stage. They go into the main dish raw. And to add a little extra flavour, cut a small onion in half and add that to the milk too. I'm using a shallot, and to keep it together I've tied it up with some food twine. Right, once the milk comes back to a simmer, get the lid on and let it cook for 3 minutes. That's all it needs. And this is the enamel dish that I'll be cooking this fish pie in. These are available in the shop if you're interested. We have the traditional blue piping and this wonderful grey colour. And once the time's up, get the pan straight off the heat. Now using a slotted spoon, lift the fish out and into the dish. That's the salmon, cod and the haddock out. Now you can remove the onion too. It's done its job by adding some flavour to the milk. And if you'd rather use it, you can dice it up fine and add it to the fish if you like. Up to you. Now strain the milk through a fine sieve and set that aside for a moment. Now grab a couple of forks and gently pull the fish apart into some nice flakes. Once you're happy with it, gently mix it up so it's evenly distributed. And now I can add the prawns to the dish too. These cook so much better in the oven from raw. And that's the fish in the dish ready for the sauce to go on. And that's what we're going to do now. So back to the cooker. First add the butter to the pan. Once hot you can add the flour. Now using your spatula, keep stirring the butter and the flour until it becomes a little darker. In real time this takes about 90 seconds, but you must keep it moving and keep the heat low. Now you can start adding the flavoured milk, but a little at a time. and using a whisk this time, keep it moving to avoid any lumps. Keep going until all the milk is in, and as the milk gets hotter it'll start to thicken. And now you can add the cream, and this really knocks this sauce up an extra notch. And for the seasoning I'm simply using salt, a little white pepper and a good helping of freshly grated nutmeg. You can also add a little lemon juice at this point if you like to, but I'm leaving it out because I always serve this with a wedge of lemon on the plate. Now give the seasoning a good mix in too. Next to go into the sauce is the mature or strong cheddar cheese. I'm adding 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces to mine, but you can add a little at a time until it's the right flavour that you like. Keep mixing until the cheese has melted and you have a silky smooth sauce. And the last ingredient to go in is a handful of chopped flat leaf or curly parsley. Now give that a good mix in too. And that's all there is to making this cheese sauce for this beautiful fish pie. Before going any further, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, that's 355 Fahrenheit or gas mark 4. Okay, time to put this amazing fish pie together. First, ladle a few scoops of that sauce on top of the fish. Now gently mix the sauce up with the pieces of fish, being careful not to break up the fish flakes. Once mixed, add some more sauce to the top. Now spread it all out and level it off. Give it a couple of light taps on the bench to settle it down. Now I've transferred the excess sauce to a jug. Now this can be used to add a little extra sauce on the plate when it's served up. And the next job is to spoon the mashed potatoes on top of the sauce. Do this a little at a time. Once you have all the sauce and fish covered, use a fork to gently spread it out. The finished pie looks so much better if you leave the surface a bit rough, as the peaks in the potato tend to turn brown and very crispy. Right, on to the last lap, and this is to sprinkle more mature cheddar over the mash. Put as much or as little on as you like. And that's it, your beautiful fish pie is ready for the oven. Okay, get it into the preheated oven. Now the sauce will bubble through the mash a little, so just in case we have any spillage, it's always best to put a tray under it. Now set your timer for 30 minutes. And before I go any further, I'm delighted to let you know that we're offering a special Easter weekend discount of 15% off everything in our website shop. This offer is available for a limited time only, from Friday through to Monday GMT. Simply place your order and enter the code EASTER15 at checkout to receive your discount. See the link in the description below the video. And thanks so much for your support everyone, it really means a lot. Right, time's up on the fish pie. The aroma has got me absolutely starving. And it's looking fantastic. That beautiful sauce has bubbled through the mash, but thankfully no spillage. Now this fish pie is best served straight from the oven, so make sure you get the timing right with any sides you may have to go with it. And that looks absolutely amazing. Got to get some of that fish and sauce from the bottom too. You should get 4 good portions from our enamel dishes. And the prawns are cooked to perfection. Right, time for a taste. And that is so good, incredibly tasty guys. A fantastic fish pie that is a definite family keeper. A massive thumbs up for this one everyone. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.